Hello, very good evening. Myself Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services. Now I'm in front of my three students. Those has just now completed their online exams. It's for the Kazan Federal University. It's a interactive session with them. We just want to know how they have understood the process and how they are satisfied with the ITCS. I'll start with Ganashri. Ganasri is actually from Shimoga, Karnataka. Okay, so Ganasri, how you found ITCS?
I found it very appealing and I was happy with your counseling. The way you approached us was satisfactory.
So as you have gone through this complete process, okay. So yesterday we have maintained a process of your online demo so that you can understand all the process how you have to attend this all. And today you have gone through the real time attempt of the exams. Whether everything was same as per the defined and planned.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as a student, like as you've just completed your 12th, okay, as a student, how you found ITCS, whether it's a your selection for your career part is okay, or again you need some improvement with the ITCS and all.
No, sir. I'm satisfied.
Okay, thank you. So next, I'll speak with Mr. Chirant, and Chirant is actually from Mandya and is from Karnataka. Okay, so Chirant, are you satisfied the way we have explained about the university and the way we have given the counseling? Whether everything is satisfactory?
Better with it, not satisfactory, more than satisfactory.
Okay, so more than satisfied you are. Okay, so what the best thing which you found with the ITCS?
Even though the students neglect, you people never neglect us. The thing is, yeah, you take care of us. Like you're not letting us to go to the wrong way.
Thank you.
So many of the students go some fake consultancy, call them and they'll just divert their mind, go to some Caribbean islands and stuck over there. After 5 years, no job, nothing. So you have been suggested for us in abroad as the government universities itself and the top ranking universities. I'm pretty happy with it.
Okay. So Chirant, you have gone through the counseling process in detail. You visited the office through the phone calls, like Mr. Pranay has explained you everything. So the way he has explained, whether any kind of still doubts remain in your mind before going to the university and all. Okay. So you are satisfied with the way the counselings you have got and all through the ITC. Okay. So if I'd ask about this ITCS in one term, how you will explain the ITCS? In terms of your career partner, whether we are enabled or we are a proper place to counseling
word for it.
Okay.
I'm just searching for it.
Okay, you can say in your terms how you are satisfied with the ITCS.
Like we can find the diversity of ideas with you.
Okay, thank you. So now I'll speak with Mr. Harsha. Okay, so Harsha is basically from Bangalore. You visited our office multiple times. Okay, many times near to your house also. And after all these discussions, only you finalized to go with this ITCS. Okay, so today you have attempted for this examinations. How is the questions and all? Whether everything is under the neat level of questions, or it was very easy, or it was very tough.
No, it was very easy to attend that. We gave some guidelines how to attend the exams. So with that, pretty good.
Okay, so as you know that it's a Russian university, so most of the options was enabled in the Russian language. So how you have managed this all things?
So Pranay helped me that how to do it and all. Translation was there, but one more thing I should say that it was pretty good. Totally, it was pretty good. I need one changes that we should give exam in English.
English, it was English exam. Exam was conducted in English only, but the instructions and all somewhere it is mentioned in a Russian languages. Okay, so how that entire things we have already trained you.
Yeah.
After that, you attempted for the exam. So that's the reason you have successfully completed and all. Okay, so one more points I want to add with you all. Okay, that you have selected a university. It's Kazan Federal University. It is government university, very old university, 200 plus year old university. Okay, the university is highly disciplined university. So, as you have chosen your career in a MBBS direction, so you should be very dedicated towards your study. As you have planned for the foreign, there is a many diversity points, but you should only focus for study, and then only we can achieve your goal and all. Okay. So at last, if any questions you have, anything you want to ask, I'll be happy to answer. Anyway, I have answered mostly of all your questions. After that, we are here today. But any questions if you have? Okay. What about you, Ganeshri?
Yes, sir. Everything is crystal clear. I don't want to ask any more.
Okay, fine. So thank you for choosing ITCS. Okay, and definitely whatever the next step will be there, based on the government instructions, all such things we will take care and we'll follow for the further process and all. Now your main goal is what? To focus on the NEET exam as per the government rules and the dates. Once the NEET exams will over, accordingly we'll proceed for the next round, and accordingly we'll intimate you. Mr. Pranay is there, myself available, Mr. Manoj is available. So we all is a part of the team, and accordingly we'll work for you. Okay. So thank you for watching this particular video, and like this we'll again share you further information, further videos as per the requirements. Okay. Thank you.